welcome back to another video. I finally received one of the final pieces for the rear end for Sunday, and we're about to try and put this on. Yep. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is get this alcohol and wipe it down just so I can have a good base. That's going to stick to the adhesive and the JB weld I'm going to put on it. This isn't something that they recommended putting on with just adhesive, and I don't want this thing ever to come off, so I'm just going to cover it in this Gorilla Glue to put to the 3M tape, and I have clear JB weld. So those are all the things that I'm using for this. Nothing too serious, but at the same time, not really. I don't really think it's enough to hold it on, but we're gonna see. Being that this was fairly expensive for a rear deck lid and it's complete carbon fiber, I need this thing to go on there and stay on there. We're not looking for no what ifs or anything. Once it's on there, it's over with. Yeah, so just going to lather this up in alcohol. Y'all can really see all the damage it's doing for real, but hopefully that makes it a nice surface for the tape to stick on too. Yeah. Next, I got the tape with some Gorilla Glue. You feel me? We're just gonna go over the main pieces with it. And I'm gonna just cover all of this. That's the goal that I'm trying to do, just cover all of these like that in that type of pattern. And then we gonna hit the cracks and all the tight corners with the JB weld. All right, that's finished. So now I'm about to hit it with the JB weld, and I'm gonna try to get around the edges of the deck lid and clear a little bit of these gaps, and then I'm gonna take the tape off and line it up as perfectly as I can to this. And I already cleaned this with like dish soap and water just to get that dirt off, and it worked kind of well. It's like really shiny and whatnot, but I'm about to hit it with alcohol so it can like take all the dirt off as much as I can, so this can all stick and I can just lay it on there. And I need to really press this together for like a long time. I'm not going to record that, but really you're supposed to have clamps when you're doing this. That way you can just walk away from it and you don't have to like worry about it not seating and the deck lid coming off before the adhesive, the JB weld, could cure and whatnot. But I don't have none of that stuff, so we're using labor. I also don't really have anything to mix the JB weld with, so I'm using this piece of trash from this bit that I bought recently in part of the cardboard box that the deck lid came in. But ooh, that's a lot. I guess you're gonna need it. That was a lot. I'm just going to just mix this in there. You're also supposed to be using gloves while doing this, but as y'all can see, we thugging. It's Mr. Get It How You Live over here. Now we're gonna put this over here, put that over there. We're gonna get just a little bit. I don't know how I'm really gonna go about doing this without making a mess. I'm just gonna spread it down here. Just let that seat right there along the edges without letting it fall off. Get this side now because I'm running out. sure gonna have to make some more. Might have to prop it up so it don't stick to this bubble wrap. That would be annoying. That's actually annoying. Get some of this excess here, because I can see it falling. All right, so bad news for us. That was all the epoxy I had, so that's all right. Cleared it out first try. That's not good, but we're just gonna take the little bit of Gorilla Glue we have left and just put it on the other side of this tape. And we're gonna wipe the trunk down with alcohol, and we're gonna go from there. As much as this look very ratchet to me right now, I'm not really tripping, because we're getting a carbon trunk eventually, and this is literally the first stage of this project. So I know this is going to look good. Is it going to be perfect? No, not really. I knew from when I put on the wicker build that this car is not going to look perfect, but I know once it gets wrapped, it's going to look a lot better than a Lexus. A lot better. It's going to look at least 5 times better than a Lexus was when that car finally got wrapped. And that car was turning necks. I'm running out of glue, but this isn't gonna faze me. I'm trying to get as much on there as I can, and I know the freaking epoxy is drying up, so I'm gonna hurry up and try and put this on real quick. I'm not gonna lie, as tough as this looks, I'm a little bit underwhelmed because it took so long to get here, and I just would have felt like if I would have got it a little sooner, I would have felt a little better about it. But it still looked nice, don't get me wrong, and it wasn't too hard to put on, even though I didn't really I felt like I could have put this on better for real. But I don't know, man, I'm not satisfied for real. It looks good. It's finished. It's a finished product now. Finally, with the wicker bill and the Decklid and the lights come in. I need the crash bar and my reflectors done, but I'm not really worried about that. But all of this, right here, this looks fire. At the same time, I don't know, bro. I feel like I'm still feeling like I'm racing against a clock or whatever, and I didn't win. That's how I feel like. I just didn't win. The car looks great overall. I wish I got bigger tires, but that's another subject. But the car still looked good to me. The priority is getting it to drive better now, but getting this in it's almost late December now, and I'm just now getting this junk in. That's kind of frustrating, bro. But all of that put to the side, this car looks fire. I'm not even gonna lie. This rear end, come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's a shot right there, dog. I ain't gonna front. This don't look hard. I can't wait to take this thing to the track. I'm trying to get my sensors in, guys. I really am. This isn't no pavement princess where it's just going to be parked and I'm just going to be shooting a bunch of still shots of it all the time. Like, I really am trying to get active in this car. It's just I keep getting screwed over with these deliveries, bro. Either they're coming in too slow, not coming in at all, or the parts are getting lost. It's like that's what I'm facing right now. And I'm not even going to hold y'all when I say like the next video of this thing like actually driving might be in January. Like, the next video might be in January for real. Like, I can't even cap. But this is really all for this video. This joint do look tough. Like, as I keep looking at it, this car looks crazy. But having this outside right now is crazy. So I'm about to put this back up. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, whenever that may be. Y'all just stay tuned, subscribe, follow the Instagram for more. We got a lot of stuff coming. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.